name. Now, we know that most of blacks in South America were dispersed from the transatlantic slave trade between the 15 and 1900s from Africa. But which black person will name their child after, first to begin, the first king of England, Atelston, was a British imperialist, right? He was a Viking and an Anglo-Saxon, right? She named me after him. Obviously, she was infatuated with the aesthetic attributes, the phonological features, Atelston. Ironically, she was an unconscious instrument in a much grander orchestra, channeling, something that was, I would assume that I am destined to be in this current state. So my name is Atelston Fitzgerald I. My mom named me after the first king of England. I'm a research scientist. I went to school. I studied a number of different areas. I'm also partially an autodidact. I was also educated by a number of different prominent and affluent individuals privately, and I was also held under the umbrella of a number of different spiritual leaders exclusively, where I have obtained a number of different obscure, esoteric, arcane, and ancient knowledge preceding eons of times, etc., back to antiquity.